This Legend really burns nicely here. The flame, nice clean flame. Nice big glass viewing area. Keep in mind when you're burning in the stove, it does detox a paint smell. So you want to make sure you have open windows. In my showroom, it's essentially a garage door. So I got lots of airflow. Also, I don't just hang out in here either. Even with all this fresh air, I can definitely like feel it in my throat a little bit. So just be mindful. Don't breathe that stuff in. It is for sure not good for you. So I just dampered down the stove. Really burns clean and nice even on the low setting. So that's shutting it down. Again, there's like a lot of fuel in this firebox and the stove is burning quite hot right now. So I'm gonna shut her down for the night and see what kind of burn times we achieve. So you can start to see the adjustment of the airflow. When I first dampered the stove down, it was like still pretty roaring hot. It's been a few minutes now, and even on this low burn, this model burns really clean on the glass. It's a nice looking flame. It looks like it bounces and dances off the front of the glass. All of the Drolet wood stoves have burnt really clean and nice.